Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling the YouTube Data API v3 in Google Cloud Console and creating credentials. This gives you authorized access to live data. Once done, choose API key for simple reads or OAuth 2, 0 for account-specific requests. Make sure to set quota limits and apply referrer or IP restrictions to protect the key. Now you have credentials. Immediately note the key and project ID and move on to building the request flow so you can poll live subscriber counts securely. You will now implement the request, call channels. List with part equals statistics and the target channel ID to fetch subscriber count. Parse statistics. Subscriber count and check hidden subscriber count. If hidden, you must show alternative metrics or request owner access via OAuth. To avoid quota exhaustion, cache results briefly and implement exponential backoff on 429 or 5xx errors. Once set, test requests from a dev environment and log responses so you can verify numeric formatting and detect rate limit messages before you build a UI. Finally, wire the data to your UI. Push updates via WebSocket for real-time fields or short poll every 5 to 15 seconds to stay within quota. Format numbers and localize separators. Round or abbreviate large counts for readability. Make sure to respect rate limit headers and fall back to cached values when limits hit. If numbers are missing or incorrect, check the API key, ensure the channel ID is exact, and confirm the channel does not hide subscriber counts. Those steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.